Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step walkthrough on how to view your deposits and withdrawals in your Questrade account. All of your deposit and withdrawal activity can be found in your transaction history summary. To get started, simply log into your Questrade account. To view your deposits and withdrawals, click on the Reports tab at the top of the page. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Once opened, your recent transaction history will appear. This transaction history page provides in-depth reports on all your accounts over a given time frame and may not reflect all recent activity. It can take up to 24 hours for your transaction history to update. The history chart will display the transaction's dates, types, description, and the amount deposited or withdrawn. Choose one of the transactions in the chart to view more of its details. Once chosen, a pop-up window will open, listing more details about the corresponding transaction, starting with the description of the transaction at the top of the window. Various details will be displayed depending on the transaction type. Some transaction details include the account it was made from, the transaction date, the settlement date, the action, the price, the quantity, commission, the gross, and net amount. Click OK to return back to the recent transaction history page. Just below the chart, you may choose to view other transaction histories from your account. To view all of your account activity, click on Go to Transaction History just above the Recent Transactions chart. First, select a date range from the calendar icon. Note that all account activity can be exported to Excel with the click of a button. If you have more than one account, you can view the activity of all accounts on this page, or select the individual account you'd like to view. By default, all account activity/types is displayed. Please note that the account activity is for demonstration purposes only, and not intended to use for trading advice. To view your deposit history, click Deselect All and then click on the Deposits option under Activity Type. Your deposit history for the selected account will appear below. Under the Transaction Date column, you will be able to see the date of the deposit. Under the Net column, you will be able to see the amount deposited as well as the corresponding currency. You can also use the Account Activity page to view your withdrawal history. The steps are similar to viewing your deposit history. To view just your withdrawal history, click Deselect All and then click the Withdrawal option under Activity Type. Your withdrawal history for the selected account will appear below. Under the Transaction Date column, you will be able to see the date of the withdrawal. Under the Net column, you will be able to see the amount withdrawn as well as the corresponding currency. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate your Questrade account, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.